Once upon a time, a little girl used to climb the grassy hills, used to hike the forest through. She'd boss around her brothers and she'd tell them what to do. Her future all planned out within an inch, without a doubt. One perfect house, two perfect cars. She asked the moon, she wished on stars. Once upon a time, that girl was me. Used to laze about the lake, used to swim in it at dawn. With all her closest girlfriends, not a stitch of clothing on. They imagined when alone how they might change when they were grown. Yet when the stars would fill the glen, she wished to stay as she was then. Once upon a time, that girl was me. That girl was me, and everything I am is because of who she was. And though it may not seem to be, she's with me still. Swimming circles in the sun, who raced her brothers up the hill. That little girl, I close my eyes and there she is, beneath the wrinkles and the scars. I'm still that little girl, wishing blindly on the stars. I wish I may, I wish I might feel the joy I feel tonight forever. One perfect moment to hold with me still. I wish I may, I say I will. I'll ask the moon before I sleep. Let this night, for always, this was the moment the magic began. I wish I may, wish I may, I wish I may, I say